welcome to Rock Your Foundation. My name is Jody Stein. I have a favorite new lip combo that I want to show you guys. It includes two liquid lipstick, first a lip liner, two liquid lipsticks, and then I dab on some of this pressed eyeshadow, and I am in love with it. I used it yesterday, and so I want to show you guys how to create this look. You are going to use Pouty lip liner. You can see that I use this one a lot. I'm almost out of it. So you're just going to line your lips. Like so.
Or 167-1 doesn't go to 435. He's saying it's plugged into 167-1, and I'm thinking.
All right, so there is Pouty.
It doesn't go to 435.
A lip liner is going to help. If you have crooked lips like I do, this side of like my bottom lip, it is thinner, like it goes up rather than this side. It's the strangest thing, but it helps me completely even out my lip line. And it's also going to help your lipstick go on more evenly, and it's going to help it stay in place longer throughout the day. All right, so then I'm going to grab this color, which is called Sublime. And these liquid lipsticks, the trick to using them is a little goes a long way. So you just want to scrape off the excess when you pull it out of the tube. And then you just glide it on. Okay, glide that on. And then you go in with this color, which is called Sunny, and it kind of matches my shirt. It is a like a baby pink color, like a Barbie pink color. Scrape off the excess, and then just dab that right here in the middle. Okay, then you just blend it out. And then my favorite trick to do is to grab one of my pressed shadows. I usually use the color Gentle, but I came across this shade yesterday. It's called Edified. It is more of a peach pink shimmer, and it looks amazing. So you just grab a little bit with your finger. I'll show you guys what that color looks like, okay? And you just dab it right here in the center, right on top of Sunny. And then I use a different finger. And it gives you more of a metallic look. And it really helps to set those liquid lipsticks in place. They're going to last you all day long. I'm going to grab a little bit more. All right, that's my new favorite lip combo. Here is a little tip. If you click on my nose and click on in the description box, I provided a link for you to grab your beauty box, and these two lipsticks come in that beauty box. So you can just click on that link and you'll get these two products along with 13 other full-size products. It's a great deal, but if you just want to know the details on these products that I used, you just want to purchase them separately, I can also hook you up that way too. All right, I'm out of here. I just wanted to do a very quick video of my new favorite lip color. It is so fun. It'll match anybody's skin coloring, whether you're tan, you know, ivory skin tone. Like if you're super, super pale, this will look really pretty on everybody. All right. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and oh, Survivor. Yay. I'm excited for tonight. All right. I'm out of here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.